fully stock under the hood here. Kyle, what do you think you're gonna put down?
Auto, I guess.
I'm going 410.
422. There we go.
It's gonna be close, Kyle.
What'd you say? 410?
I said 410, you said 415.
As long as more than 412.5, then I win.
Oh, you happy to be back on another 6-gen here?
I'm giving homeboys some bolt ons.
Headers intake, MSD?
Yep, headers intake, MSD, McWilliams, Jones, Corsa.
Oh, okay.
All right, 2016 Camaro. We did I think it's basically a stage 2 package. We used 2-inch cooks with cats, rotofab air intake, MSD intake manifold, McWilliams 103 throttle body, and a Corsa exhaust with the valves. This thing baseline 413. Or 54. That torque's wrong. Is there a spike somewhere in it, I guess? Definitely didn't make 538 torque. I was gonna say 438 maybe, but not 538. Tune was really close, honestly, as far as timing and fuel. But I gotta do some other changes, so we'll see if we can get the throttle to stay open. I just changed a little bit of fueling and some other stuff. No timing or nothing. Dyno froze. You just want to reset it. We'll be right back. All right, let's try that again. .455, 459. Air fuel's perfect. I'm gonna add a little timing, although I don't think it's gonna do much. 457, 459. I'm just gonna do a trans rip real fast. I'll do a 345. On the 3/4 shift. You put a little VHT down. Did you see it spin? It's gonna do the same thing again. Shouldn't spin on the 3/4 now, I wouldn't think. Didn't spin at all, it was actually great. Straps feel a little loose, but are the straps a little loose? I'm gonna let this thing cool down and we'll be back. All right, final pull, see what we got. I let it cool down for like 15 minutes or so, nothing crazy. 458, 466 torque, and that's gonna be it. So with this thing baseline, so it picked up 45 horsepower and 30 foot-pounds of torque. It's pretty badass for just some bolt-ons. Just on pump gas too, no E. That's rowdy. Dude should be happy with that. Later.
Okay, so we got a 2006 Z06. Let's get a baseline here. What you getting? Stage 3? Nice. How many miles did it have?
Just under 30,000.
Nice. Low boy. I'm gonna go with 473.
Feeling good about this one. I'll go 480.
Really? Okay. Where'd you find that out?
Where did I find that out last night? After I left. Bill texted me.
Ah, okay. Kyle just informed me this car's now getting a clutch too.
I noticed the rear main was leaking, so, and the guy already mentioned about possibly doing a clutch, so
Okay.
do both at once.
I actually misplaced mine for a minute.
I mean, you don't know where it is currently?
I got frustrated, took it off yesterday, and I don't know where it is.
Oh, that's nice.
Kyle, it looks like he's gonna need that gift back.
Yeah, pretty soon he's gonna. I'm not gonna be able to find mine.
Oh, God damn it!
Let's find it. Found a fucking engine hoist with his ankle. That's what he found.
This thing have courses on it already, or are these new?
Garrett, give you 3 seconds to answer that by yourself.
They look dirty.
Yeah, they do look dirty. You know why they look dirty, Garrett?
Because they're not new.
Exactly.
Wow. What?
$50 right now. You start the Eagles chant right now. You know the Eagles chant?
No.
You don't?
No.
You basically just spell it out. You go E-A-G-L-E-S Eagles. Like,
Okay, I have heard it.
scream it as loud as you can. I get 50 big ones.
I'm good. Kyle's saying that because Fletcher's over there.
I'll join in. I'm just not starting. We're going back to Super Bowl this season. It's like 4 of us. I'll tell you that right now. It's August what? 17th? Say August? Yeah, August 17th. Eagles are going back to the Super Bowl, and they're winning.
Real.
Yep. So come first week of February. Remember this conversation.
...2006 C6Z, got 29,000 miles on it. We did a full stage 3 package, so our head scan package, 2-inch American Racing long tubes with cats, and a Haltech 108, baseline 486. And I assume it was stock when it got here. So, let's see what we got. $625, $543. That's killer. This thing did baseline high for stock. God, look, oh my God, there's a stage 3 that made 600. Do you believe that?
625, that's pretty good.
Yeah, well, the other one made 600. You're like, man, that's good. It made 600. Like it's the first one you've ever recorded. .627 540, pretty stout. But like we say, these things always pick up around 140, and it is, if my math is right, like 141 right now. So the normal math is mathing. Lost like 3 horsepower and 1 pound of torque, so I'm gonna let this thing cool down. We'll be back. All right, we let it cool down, see what she makes. Let's pull. I'll probably do 2. .33 545. Yeah, so it picked up 16, almost 150 horsepower, 149 horsepower, something like that. So like I said, we say they pick up around 140 on the stage 3, 149. Call that pretty close. You should definitely be happy with this. That's really stout, but it was also stout on the baseline. So stout baselines generally produce stout finish lines. That's it for now. Later.